about to test it today. I'm going to grab this purple egg right now. So 1, 2, 3. Out this pink one right here.
Hey! What's going on? You better not be opening eggs. Hey, I told you don't open them, please. Those are mine. Those are chicken eggs. Wait a second.
Candy.
That's no chicken. What the heck is that?
Candy.
Something's funny around here. Candy and eggs? What the heck kind of animal lays candy eggs? Huh?
I'm going to look at these little baby.
I've never seen this in my life. This is amazing.
What's that? You see that little heart in the middle there?
What kind of animal is that? What? Did you just eat that? You didn't even cook it. Oh man. Okay, no more eggs. Was there like a whole thing of eggs? Oh my god. Who took all my eggs? Those are... Wait.
These are not chicken eggs. They're surprise eggs.
Surprise eggs? What the heck are surprise eggs? Surprise, there's nothing in that one. Good surprise. I see stuff in this one that don't look like a chicken though. They're such different colors. So strange. Another dud. Nothing. Empty. Well, that was kind of strange. Are they all like that? Whoa, what's this one? What does it say on the front of it? Smarties? Must be a smart chicken in there. Eh? Here, Avia, put it in front of the camera. Yeah, put it in front. There you go. Must be a smart chicken egg, huh? What? Sniffs, that smells like chocolate.
Well, there's something in it.
What? Whoa! That exploded!
It's Smarties.
Smarties? Those look kind of tasty. These are delicious. Why don't you give me a soother? I don't need a soother. Okay. This is a giant egg. This is a giant candied turkey egg or something. Has a strange wrapping on the outside of it. Never seen such a thing in my life. Never.
Candy!
Wow! Look at it all! That's fantastic! Look at all the candy! Holy smokers! It sure is glued together good.
Elsa and Anna do this really good. I think that you take this.
Nom.
Shoot.
So what you got in there? You've got some lime taffy, it says. Lime taffy, well that's strange in an egg.
Actually, it's apple. It's green apple.
You're right. And this chicken don't read so good.
Big pieces of candy.
It looks like little candy fruits. No! Give me.
No, some strawberry nuts and some date nuts.
Strawberry!
No.
You can't have strawberry, you're allergic. More taffy.
And it's banana.
Banana taffy.
It's some
Yummy.
more banana taffy. And some more banana. And some more apple. And some more apple.
For me. Keep them coming. Keep them coming.
Some more banana. And some more banana. And some more. These but they're all big packages.
Yeah.
And
Those look
some-
delicious.
And some red.
Ooh, cherry.
Cherry and some more
I sure love cherry taffy.
And what are these?
Sweet tarts. Oh my goodness. What kind of animal lays this kind of egg? I don't get it. I'm so confused.
is an Easter bunny.
Easter bunny?
Yeah.
Did you say Easter bunny? Bunnies don't lay eggs. Are you kooky in the head? There's something wrong with you, kid. Bunnies don't lay eggs. Bunnies are what they call mammals. Look it up. Google that stuff. There's no way a bunny can lay an egg. That's just, you're fooling me.
No, I know.
You must be fooling me. What do we got now?
I'm opening this.
Oh, it looks like, is that from the movie Disney Cars?
Yeah.
And you're gonna tell me the Easter Bunny brought that one too? What? But it's not even Easter. We're almost in June. What the heck is he doing running around dropping eggs off? This is so strange.
It's not Easter, but when it's Easter, the Easter bunny comes.
Ah. And lays eggs all over your house. That don't make no sense to me.
More time.
Chickens lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Not mammal bunnies.
Some stickers.
Ooh, I love stickers. Mine.
No.
What do you mean no? And what do you got there?
Candy.
People back home can't see. More candies? Wow, that's a lot of candies. That's a little too close, I think. Okay, next egg. Another Smarty egg. Let me guess what could be in that one. Smarties!
Yeah.
Remember that song from Smarties?
No.
When you eat your Smarties, do you eat the red ones last? Do you stick them very slowly or you crunch them very fast? Do you eat the crazy coated chocolate? But tell me when I ask. When you eat your Smarties, do you eat the red ones last? When you eat your Smarties, do you eat the red ones last? Do you crunch them very slowly or you munch them very fast? Is that any coated chocolate? But tell me when I ask. When you eat the Smarties, do you eat the red ones last? No. We eat the red ones last. But thanks for watching Kids Toys. We got a whole mess of candy to eat.
We have more.
Remember, when you eat all this candy, make sure you brush your teeth. Or for all you chickens out there, brush your beaks. Or you're gonna get cavities. Ow! Ow! Stop hitting me! Please subscribe and peace! Ooh-hoo.